Hello, this is the new shiny stracciatella. It's for the kind of people who like to have their stracciatella ice cream without the chocolate bits in them. So that's something that my son might say. And what you do is you load a super shiny input file, and then you split it by some factor which has to be defined in bio. So this is quite a sort of a reasonable assumption that you would want to split it in some way defined by a factor that defines the experiment. For example, in this experiment that we've got here, it would be by genotype. You would have to split it by genotype because this is the only factor that actually has different levels. So the split factor needs to have more than one level, meaning the values can't all be the same, otherwise there's nothing to split. And apart from that, it could be anything at all. It doesn't have to be anything meaningful. For example, I've created the factor strawberry. And this could be used for splitting just as easily because it's got two levels, and that's all that's required. Now, if we now go to the shiny stracciatella, in the beginning, you read the file as always, nothing new. And here you then get a choice of the split variables. These will be all the ones that I've decided are the ones that you can use. These are all the columns in bio that have more than one level. And here indeed we have genotype and strawberry. So these are the two. You can only choose one of them. So you can't combine them. If you need some combination of factors, you'll have to create it yourself. Now there's three flavors this comes in. You can either choose from genotype, the genotypes that you like, for example, these three, and then proceed, or you can choose some combinations, pairwise combinations. For example, I don't know, you want to have this combination and this combination. This leads to a third combination where you simply create all pairwise combinations, and this might be a quick way to split a data set into, if you're interested in pairwise comparisons, which I gather might occur once in a while. So this is all you need to do. This is all you can do, in fact. Then you have to go to output, and then you'll get quite a familiar output window, and you simply write, say, download XLSX. So there's just one thing that I haven't really made sort of properly smooth yet. That's if you have here these, say here, several combinations. We have got now two combinations. In fact, two files will be written, but it will only look really like you've written one. So if I press now download XLSX, then it will only tell you that the last one. So this has now this ending here. It's been appended, but the other one was also written. The other combination, this combination here, was also written to the directory where you loaded it from, and it's also safe to do this because it overwrites. So now you've got in your we've got here in this directory, we've got here these files that we've written, the underscore ones and the ones that are not underscore ones that we've wrote. Yeah. And that's really all there is to it. I hope it's useful.